So you may have heard about Canon released probably the weirdest product recently is this 470EX-AI flashlight. What it do is that, well, you probably already heard about it, is that it's a motorized head. Now, first off, I show you how to set it semi-automatic. Semi-automatic. So first set that switch to S mode. Now, what you can do is you turn to the angle you want, press the button here, press once. The button that it usually is a release for your tilting flash head on a normal flash head. Now what you do is that when you half press, it will always try to maintain that angle. Look at that. Even if you tilt a little bit, and of course what probably most useful is that when you suddenly do portrait, it will still go to that angle, that same angle, even if you tilt up, tilt down a little bit. In fact, I think it's more responsive than I would have thought. I thought it would be quite like you have to wait for it, but no, it is quite quick. Although if you're changing between portrait and landscape, it might be faster to move it manually, like a normal flash head. Well, the model number say that that is AI. What the AI bit is that it can do automatically, which works with bounce light. Can you show me the reflector? To measure what bounce light you need, you should press that blue button, AIB. Now it will take a flash in front and then on top, and then according to the reflection to calculate the angle that you need. Thank you very much. Okay. So of course you would question how useful is that? Well, for professional, I don't think this is really useful because if you're professional, you know where you are going to bounce the light anyway, and then it's faster to move it manually. But it is totally useless. I can't say that because at least the semi-automatic, I can see it. Maybe it's useful in some situations, especially it adjusts the angle for you when you just tilt down or up a little bit. Maybe it will save a shot or two that you forgot to change the angle. You tilt the camera and then you forgot to change the angle. But this is just the first AI flash product. We'll see, maybe they will release the second one and then maybe they will improve that or new ideas add into that, so we'll see.